You're welcome. This is Neco year 2018 English Objective Past Question. Question number 17. And the instruction to this question says complete each of the following sentences with the most appropriate of the options lettered A to E. So we are using this instruction to answer question number 11 to 20. And question numbers, the sentence yes in number 17 says the dash engineer was awarded the contract to rebuild the collapsed bridge. The dash engineer was awarded the contract to rebuild the collapsed bridge. A option A say architectural, B say chemical, C say civil, D say mechanical, E say structural. And when we talk of engineering, structural has to do with building, that is building engineer, that is structural building engineer. Then when we talk of mechanical, has to do with motor or moving electronic engineer. Then when we talk of civil engineer has to do with building of roads and bridges. Then chemical engineering has to do with industrial engineer. Then architectural has to do with building engineer. So the dash engineer was awarded the contract to rebuild the collapsed bridge. So by this explanation is option C, which is civil engineer. So we can say the civil engineer was awarded the contract to rebuild the collapsed bridge. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.